Hi Vichy Dreadlocks farms. So today I will be showing you how I repair this lock. Um the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show my students and the ones that are about to join what they can actually achieve in dreadlock making class. This is a damaged locks that is thinning out, is almost gone, but I'm going to repair these locks and you see how it's looking after. So this is some of them I've done. I had to extend the hair with natural afro kinky, the original one, of course, and the way you're going to be seeing it, you will not know that is extended or anything is added to it. So this is how it's looking after I have repaired it. Look at those thinny ones are now filled in. So this is me after I finished locking his hair. Look at how his hair is looking. So guys, if you want to join dreadlock making class, you want to know how to repair locks, you want to know how to maintain locks the right way, hit me up, send me a message, and I'm going to add you to the class. So you guys have to know that dreadlock making is not cheap, okay? So invest in it and start making money.